ice on the road. It's snowing right now. It's windy. Probably one of the most abused F80s around. I've not really had a single issue until like after I saw you. You can hear it, look.
It's just dumping straight away.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
You know, that sounds cool though.
It does sound good, you know. Sounds a bit like a blow-off valve.
That's it. Let's not hope the charge might blow off with it.
Oh my
Maybe
god.
long day.
Yeah.
I started having coolant issues, so my coolant was going down and my charge cooler tank, so they both started leaking. This one cracked, that one started leaking. One of my radiators had a bloody hole in it. So I scrapped the whole thing, I took all the bottles out, swapped all of them out, new charge cooler, every single radiator swapped. And I used to have a lot of heat soak internally as well.
Yeah, yeah.
So when I'd be like absolutely sending the car, even on track, I'd be sending it. And you like your footwell, it'd be getting ridiculously hot.
Yeah, yeah.
So,
gearbox in the centre
yeah,
used to get red hot.
It's the DCT cooler, so I swapped that out.
Yeah.
Everything done. Now I can't get up to temps. Do you know when you're driving it normally? I struggle to get up to temps. The next thing to do is this, which is the thermostat, which I'll get a Muscleman one.
What do you mean it can't get up to temps?
So when you're driving in comfort mode every day, like it takes ages to get up to 90 degrees. Or 90 or
oil and
whatever.
everything to get warm.
Yeah, the exact oil temps.
Yeah.
Takes piss to get up to warm.
Standard intakes?
Yeah, standard intakes, but dropped in ITG filters.
Yeah.
With the removed charcoal and all that. It sounds wicked though.
Does it? Yeah.
Yeah, it sounds wicked.
Can be a bit of intake flow.
But
it's one of them.
You lose power though on these. A lot of people do the front mount tune and stuff, but it causes rough idle, and like when it rains, it's not really ideal having.
Yeah, I've got front mounts on the X-Rim.
Yeah,
Every time I jet wash it,
I can't be asked putting a sock over the top of it either. Like, I ain't got time for that shit. I've barely got time to wash the car. Fuck putting a sock over the top. Do you know what I mean? The whole role of this car here is to be function over looks. So everything is there to be functional. Like, do you know what I mean? Like the holes, the grills, everything. They're actually cool when you drive.
You say that, but then you somehow made it look good. So
yeah, it looks semi-decent. Do you know what I mean? Like, ideally, I want to keep it looking good as well.
Yeah.
I'm trying to keep it looking good.
It looks fresh.
But I'm trying to make sure that everything works. Like these, I used to have the grills in them.
This is
I
sick.
picked all the grills out, and they're just literally carbon straight into the arch liner, which also have holes to help the brake cooling get rid of air down there. And then they've got brake cooling ducts in front, which go straight into the back of the front brake discs.
Yeah.
They help a big, like major time, man.
It's proper slippy. You can see the patchiness of the road. It's wet and it's dry. It's actually snowing right now, boys. Oh my god. Yo! It's just so smooth sliding, like. You can see snow on the sides here, boys. It's that cold. Togue mountain drifting in a BMW M4 with SikhMade. F80 M4s. There's only two cars that come to mind in the UK. There's rear wheel drive diaries and there's SikhMade. Ain't no one else driving their cars like these boys.
What pads? Just standard pads? or what?
DS2500.
Yeah, it's sick.
But I've had them 2 years.
So good.
I've had them 2
you
years.
You had these pads in for 2 years?
2 years.
How have you had these pads in for 2 years?
Yo, ask Tommy at Fast Road. He was the one that installed them 2 years ago, and he's seen the car once after that. And my guy's looking at these like, how the fuck are they still in there?
Well,
They've
how is
done
that possible?
Multiple Nürburgring trips, multiple Donington trips. I don't know. God knows. They're on 60%, I think. 60 or 50%. It's mad, isn't it? You can see them yourself. You probably.
That's insane, bro. Like, I'll do a set of them in 3 or 4 months.
No.
3 or 4 months.
You can see the meat on them there.
Yeah, they've got life on them.
No, they're like 50, 60%.
They are sick. DS220s are sick, don't get me wrong.
They're
They
not
are the
too
best
bad.
stock pad, I think. We had an X3M in with endless pads. And
Vodka juice.
what pads are in this, bro? These pads are sick. What the fuck? I've never experienced stopping power like that, and there was no fade whatsoever. So we're stopping from obviously 70 mile an hour, you know, coming off slip lanes at 70 mile an hour and braking correctly. And the brakes were just absolutely chilling. We pulled into a petrol station. You've got one X3M sat beside it that was on stock pads. That was steaming and smoking and everything was going crazy.
You end up warping your disc.
The X3M we were reviewing was just well, that's it, you warp your disc. And then the X3M we were reviewing was perfect, absolutely perfect. Still plenty of pedal, everything.
X3M will be heavier though as well, so they'll be. You know,
so I was shocked on them. They are good
so.
pads, but they're 800 quid a set.
Yeah.
So you know, it's one of them. DS220s, I think, are just the best.
I think for daily driving cars,
100%.
best track I'd probably go with, I think they're called like ML29 or something like that, or some
I don't know.
mad name like that. Right, the pad.
Just don't buy EBCs, man.
They're EBCs.
Just don't buy EBCs.
Hell no.
They're so shit. I used to rate them years ago, and like Brembo's, shit, mate. They just, you might as well put a sponge in there, bro. They're so bad.
Are you sure?
Does this look unsure to you?
They're so bad, so bad. Sponge would be cleaner. At least you'd have no dust.
Steady, mate.
It's all good, mate, don't worry. Brembos we have there, mate.
It's built to be functional. Everything's there to have fun. I used to have the steering wheel and all that, but there you go. It's quick release.
That is sick. Man took his steering wheel off on the motorway, you know. That is crazy sick.
Kept getting banned at Nürburgring. I rocked up, drove all that way. Imagine I drove all that
For
way.
steering wheel? Why did they ban you for that?
It's because of the quick release mechanism. It's not TUV approved.
Oh my god.
You're not allowed it. So
Really?
I got rid of that and just put OEM back on. Trying to find someone that can build me a custom roll cage. Roll cage, I just want it for protection for drifting. I'm not here chasing every little kilo out of the cars, you know what I mean? I still like my sound, I still like Apple CarPlay, heads up and all that.
You want the
like,
comfort still.
Yeah,
I agree.
I love my comfort. Like, even these seats, I'm going to probably end up getting retrimmed, or I either get proper pole position.
Comfy though.
Not too bad, 50-50. I've done a Europe trip on them, I've not been tired.
Man's drifting like this. Look, there's snow on the road, there's ice. Whoa! Oh, the angle! Driver! How does your splitter not just split in half of every bump? Is it clear, yeah?
Very icy up here, the cars are sliding.
It's so icy. I've actually never driven on roads like this in a rear-wheel drive car.
I didn't think it was going to be this snowy.
It's so snowy and icy. Whoa! Whoa! Fucking hell. Yo, you're bringing the wheels right to the curb, bro.
Keeping it tight, man.
Yeah. Man's got lane discipline.
This just slides so.
You can't tell us we're not being safe. We've got spotters ahead, we've got spotters behind us. We come prepared for these missions.
Just a beast, bro. You get in, no issues. I've driven G80s, yeah. I've just slid in a few of them, right? They're cool cars, don't get me wrong, but I think they're built for the general public. The corner
a bit
can buy
calmer.
one. Yeah, Dave round the corner can pick one up, daily drive it, then occasionally put his foot down and be like, yeah, I'm fast.
Yeah.
This ain't your typical car, Joe's car. Like, you can't just hop in this and start turn traction off and
You
put your
gotta
foot down.
you gotta manage that gearbox.
Yeah, you're gonna get slammed straight into a bush, bro. these cars are they're crazy, man. You know, when you're actually getting on it, thing gets chaotic very quickly.
Bro, this is mental. I've never been in a rear-wheel drive car in this bad conditions, and sending it like this, you've got to have some serious skill. What server have we spawned into right now? Look at this. We're out in the middle of the night, in the middle of nowhere, not doing no harm to no one. Oh my god. Oh! Bro, how are you feeling doing that?
Oh,
It's semi-sketch, I can't lie.
It feels so sketchy in the passenger seat.
It is sketchy, there's no doubt.
There's no grip. I've never been in this type of road condition. Look, there's no grip. I'm sliding myself. Fucking hell. Yo!
Why is it so fucking loud?
it's because it's do you reckon it's wet?
I just want to make sure ain't fucking pipe ain't come off. Why does that sound so fucking good?
Bro, it's like nasty now.
What the hell? I can't hear it. The fuck?
How's it just stop? It's back now.
Oh, it is. It's just in gear.
Oh, right.
That's mad. But it sounds fucking insane.
Bro, it sounds sick.
That sounds insane. I can't lie.
I'll tell you what, we're not going to be needing that fire extinguisher. How did that feel for you, Alfie?
Good, bro. It's mental. Like it just drives so smooth. Like I don't know when you drift like I don't know the X3. It's so like it's so snappy, but this is just smooth.
Sounds are nice, man.
Yeah, and that's what's like making me a bit fishy.
I think the pipes come off. It's not building boost. Is this the second time? Don't tell me. The second time I'm with you, the boost pipes come off.
Boost pipe one.
Oh my god!
I was telling you, I was like, why is it so fucking loud?
Twice!
That is twice.
Bro, that's not how to get it, but I'm telling you now, there's a reason that's happening.
It's not enough boost to do nothing.
God's done that for a reason.
Yeah.
Keeping us safe. You can't make this up.
That's what I was on about. I was went to him. I was like, yo, the intake sound mega fucking loud.
Without me being in the car, that doesn't happen, right?
I've never had it happen before.
So it's only ever happened when I've been in the car with you.
So you've had luck, would you, man?
I don't know. I think it's good luck in this situation. I think we're being looked after. We need to pull over and find out. What a story this is. Oh my god, look at that.
I can put that back on.
Yeah.
I think this has got a... Fuck's sake, man. I literally hate this. This is the only thing I fucking hate.
About this engine design.
Yeah. Alright, back in action, boys. Trying to reduce as much shit I can have in here. But this is just here for swap around after, you know, if we've got no tread left. Some proper cup twos. some semi-slicks. 295 3018, can't go wrong.
So you make it into a proper club sport spec.
It's a usable club sport, like you know, you can get in, have fun, and the music's there, Apple CarPlay's there.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's not like over the top. Like, yeah, I could strip out the deadening and make it ultra light. I think this is borderline getting into a mega race car now.
Yeah.
Like, any more than this is it's just too much, I think. For your average guy, this is a lot already. Like, when you're driving down the road, yeah, like you're gonna hear some mad noises coming out of the car. You know what I mean? Like, but it's completely normal. Car's happy doing what he's doing. But like, for example, someone that's in a G80, they hop into this, they'll be like, what the hell's wrong with this car? Something wrong with it, you know what I mean? So the G80 is very refined, it's a very good car. I'd say it's the best daily. Fast, quick, does what it needs to do, and then it's also, when you tame it, it's very tame. You can daily drive, it's not jerking about. This, you're in traffic, you put your foot down, everyone comes to a standstill, the car's just jerking around.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like DCT life
The
for you.
whole experience, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just different kind. But then when you're going for gears at high speed, bro, nothing can beat a DCT. Too fun. Car's too fun. BMW made an F80s, I think, to literally have fun.
Yeah, straight away. We're back in business. I mean, you were asking for it to be wet, so.
And now it's super wet.
It was born dry when we met up in the booth.
Yeah, that was crazy.
And now we've just spawned.
Crazy change of weather.
Wow. Yeah, very stuffy.
This is where it gets like really
Oh, really bumpy. Yeah, yeah.
road right there are a mess.
Yeah. Hit a patch of ice there.